Welcome back to US Car Review. The futuristic vehicle showcased in the image appears to be an extraordinary fusion of luxury design, conceptual engineering, and bold aesthetic experimentation, presenting a kind of hyper-modern supercoach luxury motorhome that seems inspired by high-performance automotive brands while embracing a science fiction sensibility that pushes its presence far beyond what is typically expected of large, multi-axle transport machines. At first glance, the most striking element is its sculpted exterior, featuring smooth aerodynamic curves that resemble a highly refined, wind tunnel-optimized structure more commonly seen in experimental concept cars rather than in vehicles of this scale. The elongated front fascia, with its sweeping, wraparound windshield, creates an impression of unified continuous glass, almost like the visor of a space-age helmet, suggesting panoramic visibility and an emphasis on driver immersion. The tinted surface of the windshield transitions seamlessly into the surrounding bodywork, giving the vehicle a cohesive, monolithic appearance that immediately communicates technological advancement. The lighting elements, including the sleek, horizontally aligned headlights and the lower set of circular auxiliary lights, contribute to an imposing stance that indicates both strength and sophistication. The sculpted vents along the sides of the front section feel inspired by aerodynamic racing cues, but they are adapted for a massive platform, blending the aggressiveness of a performance vehicle with the grandeur of a luxury transporter. The presence of an emblem visually reminiscent of certain well-known sports car aesthetics adds to the conceptual intrigue, although the stylization and modified branding suggest this is not meant to represent any real manufacturer but rather a fictional, imaginative reinterpretation designed to evoke speed, prestige, and engineering prowess. The typography and golden horse emblem on the vehicle's side reinforce this theme of performance luxury fusion, giving the coach an identity that feels aspirational and distinctly high-end, yet clearly positioned in a speculative design universe. Expanding on the body design, the vehicle's sheer length and volume reveal a structure that seems to merge the functions of a high-speed mobile lounge, a luxury recreational vehicle, and a futuristic long-distance cruiser. The upper level hints at either additional seating, sleeping quarters, or a private observation deck, suggested by the dark, streamlined windows integrated into the roofline. The multi-tiered contouring of the roof, combined with its flattened aerodynamic profile, strengthens the impression that this vehicle is created for efficient movement despite its massive dimensions. Even though the image is conceptual, everything about the structural layout seems meticulously thought out, from the integrated ventilation panels to the recessed side modules, which hint at various technological installations, possibly climate control systems or advanced onboard electronics. The choice of colors and materials also contributes to the vehicle's futuristic appeal. The glossy, metallic surfaces evoke a premium quality associated with high-tech luxury, while the darkened accents enhance depth and contrast. However, the most unusual and visually captivating elements are undoubtedly the wheels. Arranged in multiple pairs along the length of the vehicle, they feature oversized tire housings that imply an emphasis on stability, traction, and weight distribution. The deep dish rims with red accent rings infuse a sporty aesthetic that contrasts boldly with the vehicle's bulk. The wheel design suggests resilience and ability to handle substantial load capacities while still retaining a performance-oriented visual language. This multi-wheel configuration evokes a sense of unstoppable momentum, as though the vehicle is designed to glide smoothly across long distances at high speed without compromising passenger comfort. It also introduces an element of mechanical futurism, as the wheel arches blend seamlessly into the body with no visible suspension gaps, reinforcing the idea of an advanced suspension or magnetic levitation-inspired system operating within concealed internal structures. The interior glimpses, though limited, give hints of a lavish cabin environment, featuring plush seating and expansive glass surfaces that promise a luxurious travel experience. The ergonomically curved furniture visible through the windshield suggests modernist design influences, fluid, sculptural, and tailored for comfort. The seating arrangement appears to embrace the human body organically, as though designed for elite transportation or private executive use. The large viewing area afforded by the windshield and side windows would create an immersive environment, turning long journeys into cinematic experiences. While the exact materials cannot be discerned from the image, the visual hints of smooth textures and premium finishes suggest the use of high-grade composites, leather, carbon fiber, or other upscale materials typically associated with bespoke interiors. The environment surrounding the vehicle, which appears to be a high-end showroom or a futuristic maintenance bay with polished flooring and sophisticated lighting, enhances the overall impression that this vehicle is a premium conceptual piece, not merely a functional transport unit but a statement of visionary engineering. The lighting in the room reflects elegantly off the vehicle's polished surfaces, emphasizing its contours and design language while creating an atmosphere of high-tech refinement. The overhead architectural elements, featuring illuminated panels and reflective surfaces, mirror the advanced aesthetics of the vehicle, making it feel right at home in a setting meant for cutting-edge prototypes and elite exhibitions. From an engineering review perspective, the concept raises fascinating questions about practicality and feasibility, though it is clear that the design prioritizes imagination and futuristic innovation rather than immediate real-world application. The aerodynamic front end would likely reduce drag for a vehicle of this size, while the expanded wheel count might suggest a focus on ultra-smooth ride quality, increased stability, and enhanced load distribution. The low ride height points to either advanced adjustable suspension systems or a conceptual leveling mechanism designed to keep the massive structure grounded while maintaining optimal balance. The integration of sleek, minimalistic air vents implies hidden high-performance cooling systems necessary for powerful engines, electric drives, or hybrid propulsion units. The presence of a stylized performance brand motif further suggests that the designers envisioned this vehicle not just as a slow-moving luxury transport but as something capable of impressive speed, perhaps a high-powered electric motorhome or a next-generation luxury coach equipped with performance-grade powertrains. In terms of consumer appeal, this vehicle embodies both extravagance and fantasy. It would attract enthusiasts of futuristic design, individuals captivated by high-performance luxury aesthetics, and perhaps even fans of concept art who appreciate bold, unconventional interpretations of transport. The design challenges conventional perceptions of what a large vehicle should look like, merging the aggressive stance of a supercar with the imposing presence of a multi-axle transport unit. This combination results in a visual identity that feels revolutionary, aspirational, and almost cinematic, as though it belongs in a science fiction universe where speed, luxury, and engineering marvels coexist seamlessly. The vehicle's emblem, topography, and sculptural form make it feel like a flagship prototype, something designed to represent a brand's future vision, even if that brand is fictionalized in this context. The emotional response evoked by this design is significant, as it stimulates curiosity about its interior features, technical capabilities, and potential uses. One can easily imagine it functioning as a luxurious mobile command center, a VIP transportation unit for celebrities or executives, or even a futuristic recreational vehicle outfitted with sleeping pods, lounges, entertainment systems, and advanced driving technologies. The distinctive aesthetic choices, particularly the emphasized wheel structure and aerodynamic shaping, make it appear ready for extended journeys across vast landscapes, whether on smooth highways or in high-end conceptual environments. It leans heavily into speculative engineering, perhaps even hinting at autonomous driving capabilities, given the minimalistic front design and panoramic viewing interface. The sharp, modern lighting gives the impression that the vehicle incorporates sophisticated sensors, cameras, or navigation systems integrated seamlessly into the body. Overall, the vehicle depicted in the image succeeds magnificently as a concept design because it merges style, innovation, and imagination into a cohesive whole that feels both aspirational and forward-thinking. Its exaggerated curves, premium finishes, distinctive emblem, and futuristic wheel layout create a bold statement. This is not just a mode of transportation but a declaration of design exploration and technological ambition. While its real-world feasibility remains uncertain, as is typical for concept vehicles, its purpose is clearly to inspire, provoke thought, and push the boundaries of automotive creativity. It invites viewers to reconsider what luxury travel could look like in a world where performance engineering meets architectural elegance, where mobility becomes an immersive experience rather than merely a practical necessity. Every surface, curve, and design decision seems to have been crafted to convey a sense of unrestrained innovation, offering a tantalizing glimpse into a future where vehicles transform into rolling works of art. In summary, this futuristic luxury machine stands as an impressive example of conceptual automotive art, blending performance aesthetics, multi-axle engineering, and high-end luxury cues into a dramatic and memorable creation that transcends traditional categories and redefines what a large modern vehicle can represent. Please like and subscribe for more real video.